I have some exciting news for you. We launched PixArt CLI. It's a multi-model AI focused on creative generation with 140 AI models running behind a single command. It is now available and you can install it inside of Cloud Code to start creating. So say goodbye to your old AI workflow and say hello to a better and more simplified workflow experience, all in your terminal and under your control. I'm going to walk you through on how you can set this up, connect it to Claude, and start prompting. I'm Haik, and let's get into it. Oh, wait a second. You might ask, what is even a CLI? Basically, CLI or Command Line Interface is a text-based interface which you can use to interact with by typing in a command using your computer's terminal. Okay, so now roll the intro. Picsart CLI functions in three ways: image generation, video generation, and audio generation. For images, we have models like Recraft or Nano Banana. For video generation, Sora and Veo. And for audio, Lyria and 11 Labs. You can run all three tasks under one roof of your preferred platform. So first, let's download it and run a basic image generation example on the terminal. Open up the Picsart CLI page and click on the pink button, Copy Install command. Now open your terminal and paste the install command and press enter. The CLI is now installed. So open a new terminal window and type Gen AI. Here you will be taken to a quick start menu. You should already have a Picsart account with credits. So in your terminal, type in login to verify your credentials. After you have successfully logged in, you can now get started on creative generations. Let's take a look at the available models by running the command model. As you can see, we have over 140 models that are available to use. To begin generating images, input the command generate. I prefer Nano Banana, so I'm going to scroll down and find it. Now press enter. The CLI is asking how you want to use this model. You can describe it with text only or start from an image in your drive. But for this example, let's go with describe with text only. Here is where you are going to enter a prompt. Let's type in something silly, just to see how this works. Press enter. The CLI will give you a generation summary. I want to change the aspect ratio and resolution. So I'm going to go down and change the aspect ratio to 16:9 and the resolution to 4K instead of 2K. I want to have only one variation and press enter. Once it's done, it will place that image into your Picsart drive. Looks like it's done. Let's go to our Picsart drive and check it out. Gen AI folder, Gen AI clips. Look at this. That's for sure a fat cat on the moon. I like it. So as you can see, with Picsart CLI, you can simply type commands to edit or remove backgrounds and even generate videos all in one interface. Now, let me show you how you can connect our CLI to Cloud Code and run it directly inside it through the use of different skills. When you go to the Picsart CLI page, you'll see that there are many skills you can download and integrate into your AI agent for different use cases, such as for marketers, prosumers, enterprise, e-commerce, and agencies. Let's do some experiments with e-commerce. Take a look at the catalog styling skill. This skill is great for replacing backgrounds for products. So simply download it and drag it into Cloud Code, and then type install skill. Once it's done, Claude will now operate this skill when you ask it to replace or swap a product background. Let's start with this perfume bottle as an example. As you can see, it's on white background, which is kind of boring for me. So let's replace the background with something beachy. Copy the file path enter it into the prompt box and type in something like this. In a few moments, Claude will produce your image using Picsart CLI. Save it on your Picsart drive and on the file path where the original image is, which in this case is our desktop. Looks like it's done. Let's go to our Picsart drive and check it out together. Wow, it's so cool, right? I really like this beach background and it matches the perfume brand. Don't forget to experiment on your own and share your thoughts in the comments below. Now let's try another skill. Let's say I'm a content marketer and I want to generate some images to go along with my blog. Let's head over to the CLI page and then click on Marketer. Go to Blog to Visuals and download the skill. I already installed it in Claude, so let's drop in our article. It is about honeybees and how they are valuable examples for architects and designers. I'm going to drag that document into Claude Code and type this. Then press send. Looks like it's done. Let's check it out together. Well, these look pretty great. I'm really happy how they turned out. So as you can see, Picsart CLI integrates into AI agents, working with you as your partner or assistant for all your creative needs. So that's it for today. If you like our tutorial videos, feel free to subscribe. Leave a like on this video and comment on what you would like to see next. I'm Haig, thanks for watching and have an amazing day.